TikTok is banned, now what? Being that we're going into 2025, I'm sure a lot of you have made goals, New Year's resolutions that you are going to focus on either your content creating or just making extra money on the side. So I'm not sure if some of you have already quit your job or this was just working perfectly fine for you because you have already made thousands of dollars on TikTok, but now we need to pivot and find other ways to make that passive income if they do get banned. I'm Takia Comey, your multi-passionate entrepreneur, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, just please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. You'll be the first one to know about it. So we're gonna just jump right into this. Today, we're gonna talk about other ways to make money on social media. Being that TikTok may be banned, it's probably coming up soon. There are ups and downs about this conversation, whether it's staying, whether it's not, whether the Kardashians are buying it, whether Trump is buying it. Everybody has their own ideas of what's going on with this app, but you need to start focusing on what you're gonna do forward to get this money coming in, because everybody, of course, needs another side hustle in this economy. So I did some research and I actually looked up what are some of the top side hustles that you can do in 2025. There were a list of 10, of course, and I wanted to narrow down some of them that I feel like will be related to what I want to talk to you about and how you can make extra income going into 2025. So I'm going to jump right into them. I have my notes, so I'm going to go over just a few before we go and talk about further. But let's start with number one. The number one side hustle that can help you make extra income in 2025, of course, was selling digital products. So if you were following me already, you already know that I'm very big on this digital product journey. I started mine last year around March. It has made me over almost $40,000. So this is something that I go big on. I was one of those people who were looking at digital products. I'm like, does this really work? Are people actually doing this? So I wanted to see for myself, and it does work if you are consistent, if you do put in the work. So keep that in mind first. And I talk about that all the time on my videos. When it comes to digital products, it says that you can earn about $100 to $5,000 a month. I have seen people make more than $5,000 a month or claim that they made more than $5,000 a month. I am a testimony to it where I probably made up to $7,000, $8,000, or $9,000 a month in one take. So it is possible. It just depends on what exactly are you selling and how far are you marketing it. Is this something that you're taking serious, or you're just doing it whenever you need money or whenever you get the time? So number two, drop shipping. Start a drop shipping business. This was another one, and it's crazy because I've been an entrepreneur for some time, and drop shipping has always been something that's been big that a lot of people talk about. I've never gotten into it because I didn't really understand the business, but with drop shipping, you can make anywhere from $50,000 to $3,000 a month. Number three is going to be managing social media. As we know, social media has grown over the years. First, we started off with one platform, which was Instagram. We always had YouTube, but a lot of people wanted to know, how do you grow on these platforms? So this is something that I have found that has become more and more common, especially when TikTok came out. A lot of people have become managing coaches and things like that and mentors to help you grow your platforms, because now you can make a lot of money off of these platforms if this is something that you really cater your time to. So managing social media has been a big thing that has been on the rising. You can make anywhere between $300 to $3,500 a month when it comes to this task. So number five was become a virtual assistant. Now with this one, I've seen this go hand in hand, because this is actually good because you can actually do this in your spare time. It's kind of like having a stay-at-home job, and you could do in between of any other jobs that you already have. With virtual assistants, it says you can make anywhere between $300 and $1,700 a month. So this is something that you could look into if you are good with organization, you are good with following up, maybe reaching out to people. You're more of an admin person. This is the perfect job for you, or a side hustle. So the next thing, which was number 8, join affiliated marketing programs. As we know, affiliation has taken off tremendously. And I kind of feel like it started with Amazon with their affiliate influencer program. I'm not sure anybody else who has been doing that, but I do know now that a lot of websites offer that option where you could do affiliated just to make, it's pretty much you making a commission off of advertising a product. And number 10, start a print-on-demand business. I've never got into it because I didn't feel like I had the time to create items, but it's actually easier than what you think. And with that, you can make between $50 and $2,500 a month. So now I want to talk about how we're going to win 2025, even with TikTok being gone. So I'm going to show you a product. I know you probably like, here she goes selling stuff, but this product has helped me, and I know it can help millions of people when it comes to your side hustle. So don't go off the video yet, just hear me out. Now, this product is something that can actually help you grow any type of business that you are in, any niche, anything that you decide that you want to do. And it'll also help you with all of these things that I listed already when it comes to the biggest side hustles in 2025 that can make you passive income. The best thing about this product is that you can spend any amount of money that you want. There's not a set number. This product ranges from $111 and can go all the way up to the max right now is $333. So you just think about it, you have to invest in order to get something in return. So yeah, but the good part about it is you do not have to spend your entire paycheck. If you think about it, a lot of the times we spend money on countless of things such as food, Amazon, things that we don't need. Everybody's buying pointless things off TikTok Shop that you probably don't need, but somebody convinced you to buy it. But if you think about it, what are you going to do to invest? How much are you going to invest into your future to help you get out of this deep depression of, I don't have money, I'm living check to check, I'm trying to find something as a stay-at-home mom, how can I make more money, I want to make my own money, how can I pay off some of my debt? These things have applied to a lot of people have been in this hardship where any of those things that I just listed are a part of their reality, and I just want to help. Not to say that you have to do these things, but this is going to help you set you up for success in 2025. The product that I'm talking about is DBA. If any of you do not know about it, you never heard about it, DBA is the Digital Boss Academy. DBA comes in 3 different values, and this is based off of what your needs, so you could decide which one works best for you and which one doesn't. So Volume 1 is pretty much a digital marketing course. This whole entire thing is like a course. It's not an actual one product. You download an ebook that has 150 pages. This isn't that. It actually shows you information on how to do various of things, like I said, depending on whatever niche that you're in, whether you are into real estate, you are a hairstylist, a business owner, a boutique owner, a content creator, it doesn't matter. Whatever you are, influencer, this is for you. That's the best thing about it, is that it's a wide variety of niches that it can cater to, so which is awesome. So Volume 1 is $111. That one just includes the whole basics of the digital marketing. It helps you set up your website. It helps you how to promote on social media. Even if you don't know how to use any of these websites, or not websites, but if you don't know how to use any of those social media platforms as to how you're going to promote on there, it gives you all of that. It's like a step-by-step guide of how to set it up from start to finish, and then also how you're going to sell the product as well. Volume 2 is $222. This one is where you take off now with multiple streams of income. This is what that one's focusing on when it comes to side hustles. So when you purchase Volume 2, you'll still get access to Volume 1 and Volume 2 and everything that's included in it. The reason why I love Volume 2 is that a lot of people are selling you MMR, which is Master Resell and Right products, but it's just to say, okay, I'm selling a digital product. When you get to Volume 2, it's no longer considered as a digital product. This is where it's going to help you take off and become that content creator, that influencer, or that business owner. No matter which route you want to take, this is going to cater to your needs, and I love the fact that it focuses on all of that. Now, Volume 3, I call it the Multiple Streams of Income 2.0, because this one is more advanced when it comes to the amount of things that it helps you with when it comes to your side hustle. And that one is going to be $333. Now, Volume 3 is more of an affiliated situation, so you're not getting that whole $333, but you are getting 85% of that commission. So, and Volume 3 will also include Volume 1, 2, and 3, so it gives you the whole spiel on everything. Now, the thing that I love about this, even now that they have Volume 3, every day, every week, every month, they're still adding more modules in there. If they come up with more information of, okay, well, people are now doing this, they have things on there for Threads, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, any social media platform that you want to focus on, even your email marketing, that is all included in these modules. So now every time something new comes out, they just update the information, so you don't have to worry about buying something else. Now, on the other hand, if you only buy Volume 1, when it's time for you to upgrade to Volume 2 or 3, you will have to pay the full amount unless it's on sale at that moment. because you're already in the community, it doesn't mean that you get a discounted price. Only if it's on sale, you will have to pay the full amount for whatever volume that you want to go up to. And that's why I kind of say, if you have the money, if you have the funds, purchase the highest volume that you can, because once you get in there and you're like, oh, okay, this is kind of cool, I like it here. And that's what we get a lot. I've seen people say, oh, I have volume 1, I want to move up to volume 2. How much is it? Is it cheaper? No, you're going to have to pay the entire price that it is, even though you're already in the community, unless it's on sale. So I would say if you can invest in that amount, I would say do it. Don't think second about it. They also have reviews. There's over 24,000 people in this community. And like I said, even though everybody's selling the same thing, you don't necessarily have to say, oh, it's an oversaturated market, because this is helping people in all outlets. I have had so many realtors purchase from me, and I'm a real estate agent, because they also talk about Airbnb, they talk about fix and flip, wholesaling, anything that you want to learn in that sense, it's perfect. Another one, as you can see here, Lemon 8. Lemon 8 is another platform for a lot of content creators or influencers who want to get those affiliated links, whether you have the product in home or not, and you want to make money off of either advertising, leaving a review, or showcasing that product. They do teach you how to use Lemon 8. They also have one for Amazon reviews. A lot of people have been making money off of Amazon reviews, so this is perfect if you don't understand it, you don't get it at all. They do have a module on Amazon reviews, and they also have one on Amazon KDP. Now, this is something new that I saw a lot of people talking about, making money on Snapchat. I didn't know Snapchat was still a thing because I haven't used it in so long, and I didn't know that you could start making money on Snapchat. They do have a module in there if you're somebody who's like, okay, I'm leaving TikTok, I need to find another platform. If you want to add Snapchat back, or if you're already on Snapchat, they do have a module in there that'll teach you how to make money on Snapchat. Now, this is good for any realtors or anybody who wants to get into that avenue. They do have 3 different modules on how to do credit repair, life insurance, and also tax preparer. So if those are one of those outlets that you want to do, I know insurance is a really big thing that you can make a lot of money on when it comes to being a life insurance agent. They also have travel agent on there. So if you're interested in any of those fields, like, they have over hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of ebooks in there that are already made for you, whether it be a journal, whether it be about weight loss. If you're a personal trainer, they have ebooks in there about working out, meal preps, planners. So this is also awesome, because if you are somebody who wants to start selling ebooks and catering to that your client in that way, they have some that are already made and put together. Like I said, you just personalize it and put your brand on that. Speaking of training, another thing that you could do is another module that they have in there is how to start becoming a coach or a mentor. Coaching and mentorship is a big thing that a lot of people are making money off of. If it's something that you're passionate with and you know a lot about this kind of industry or niche, maybe that's something you want to consider, versus that you just giving out free information when someone asks you about something. Now you could become that personal go-to, that coach, that guidance, that mentor. Medical carriers. This is something that I've been seeing a lot of people talk about, and I'm like, I wonder how you get into that. And they also have a module on that, how to start doing, becoming a medical carrier. I'm sure they may have like little websites and things that you can go to on how you can learn how to do that. So that is another good one that's in there. That is like a quiet gem, but I see a lot of people talking about it, but I don't know how many people are actually doing it. But it's a good side hustle if you were already into like Uber or Lyft. Maybe it's something that you could switch over to with the medical side. Theme pages. Now, if you don't know about theme pages, you are in the past. You're under a rock. So theme pages are something that a lot of people have been getting into, because you don't necessarily have to be the face of that brand, but you can also make your own money on the side. When it comes to theme pages, this is great for somebody who wants to make like a quote page, or an entrepreneur, or it could be even with like a spiritual page if you want to do one that for people to be closer to God, make quotes every day. And last but not least, content creation. If you say this is my year that I'm not going to be scared anymore, I want to get in front of the camera, I want to talk, I want to vlog, I want a mini vlog, I want to show my life, I want to start a YouTube channel, I want to start podcasting. They have modules for podcasting, YouTube, affiliated, like how we talked about before, content creation. If you don't know how to start, what to do, They even have reels where if you feel like, okay, well, I don't want to be on camera, but I want to start creating content, or I want to just get into that niche. They have reels that are already done for you. They teach you how to promote on these social media platforms, how to become that content creator and grow your business in 2025. So this is perfect for those of you who said, you know what, I'm stepping out of my shell this year. I want to get into content creation. So like I said, there are so many things that DBA can provide, and the thing is that she's only making it better and better every year. There's a community of people, like I said, so even after you purchase this product, if you feel like, oh, I can't get in touch, if you can't get in touch with me, which I try to always answer my phone, and if you feel like you have more questions, I'll leave my number below because I love talking to you guys. I don't want it to just be where you purchase something and it's like, oh, it was a scam. She just had me buy something and I don't like it. This is something that you're absolutely going to love because it works for everyone. I even got my cousin into it. She finally hit 60,000 followers on her Instagram, and now she can show others how she's getting brand deals, how she used some of the ebooks in there. We have Rich Off of Content. We have other ebooks in there that can teach you how you can make money off of content and being an influencer. So now she's able to sell these ebooks to her clients and show them how she did it. And the best part about it, if you're not a creator and you don't know how to make ebooks, you don't know how to write these things, they're already generated for you, where they give you freebies. They have the ebooks in there that are already put together and they're up to date. All of this information is up to date. I know threads right now are the new wave. A lot of people are making money off of utilizing threads. So if these sites that you don't know how to work and you're like, oh my God, I'm not into Pinterest. I was always into Instagram or TikTok or Facebook. If you're somebody who you like, I don't know how to do that. I only know how to do this social media platform. They have things on all platforms. So you would never be left alone in the dark and feel like, okay, well, I just brought this and I don't know. She pretty much has the whole social media game plan on here. So it's a win-win situation. Oh, and I forgot to mention, because it's an MMR, after you purchase DBA, or if you take whatever you needed out of it, whatever information to help you grow your business, you can resell DBA and make money off of it. So like I said, if you sell volume 1, 2, you'll get the whole income back, or you'll get the affiliated for volume 3. So this is also a digital product that you can sell. So it's a big investment. You're investing in your business to learn how to grow your business or how to grow your personal brand, but now you can also sell this digital product to someone else to help them. So if you do have some clients who are interested in your field, you can sell this back to them and let them know, like, this is how I learned how to be this great, amazing person when it comes to being in real estate or beauty or drop shipping products or anything like that. So if I didn't answer your questions, or if you still have some curiosity and you're like, I don't know, I also provide a freebie that kind of breaks down everything that's included into this DBA. We'll put the link below in the description. And then, like I said, if you have further questions, you can also reach out to me. Other than that, I hope this video was great for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. You guys have a wonderful day. Be safe, and let's make some money in 2025, because we want to quit those jobs or find us an extra side hustle that is going to actually work. You guys have a good one. Stay safe. Peace.